Nowadays, a large percentage of vehicle faults is down to electrical problems rather than mechanical ones. Fault code diagnosis can be quite difficult, especially now that more and more vehicles are equipped with complicated technology such as advanced driver assistance systems, and the fact that more and more owners expect certain luxury features as standard. At HaynesPro, we understand that vehicle diagnosis can be time consuming and therefore also cost inefficient, which is why we offer guided diagnostics through VESA, which stands for Vehicle Electronics Smart Assistant. Now, VESA is a clever module which allows you to reduce your non-billable hours by offering smart solutions and workarounds for complicated tasks. VESA allows for up to 7 fault codes to be entered simultaneously, for which it presents a list of fault code descriptions together with a suggested list of components to test. Based on the fault codes, WorkshopData will also give you any verified fixes and tips sourced from renowned help desk organizations and industry experts, technical service bulletins, and recall data linked to those fault codes. VESA will take you through a step-by-step component diagnosis process. It tells you exactly what to do in order to find out which components or wiring may need replacing. You can also find specific component information such as locations and images for easy identification. In most situations, these concise wiring diagrams make it much easier to diagnose a fault. However, an overview of the entire system is sometimes necessary. Some technicians, particularly electronics and diagnostic specialists, may need to see the wiring diagram as a complete system schematic. For this reason, we not only offer step-by-step guided diagnostics, but also extended wiring diagrams. Do you want to expand your expertise on all vehicle makes, save time, and improve customer satisfaction? Don't hesitate and sign up today for HaynesPro WorkshopData license.